What is up, That Metal Nation? That freaking metal guy here doing a top 5 worst albums by the Big Four of thrash metal. Let's get right onto this list. And just as you guys know, that the explanation why they are ranked is going to be a nice short exclamation why. So if you guys, at number 5, we got Die Boss and Musica by Slayer. And this album, you really only have 3 songs that are really worth listening to: Bitter Peace, Devil's Hand, Staying in Mind. And everything else is okay, but it's not as great as those 3 songs. Those are that's the first 3 songs. It's never good when an album has the best songs in the first 3. At least divide them up a little bit. At number 4, we have Cryptic Writings by Megadeth. And there's really only 2 songs in this album that really stand out. Trust, a staple they play almost every single show, and then She-Wolf. And those are only really 2 big songs off this album. Everything else, it's okay, but like I said, it's only 2 songs. Next is Stomp 442 by Anthrax. This is the stage of Anthrax I like to call the dark period. In between the Persistence of Time and worship music, they really didn't make anything that was wowing. They were just making albums just to stay relevant. They blamed the record label for not promoting this album enough for bad sales, and also Walmart decided they don't want to carry the album because of the album cover. At number 2, we have Risk by Megadeth, and this is pretty much Megadeth's low and worst album, and a lot of metal fans, Megadeth fans, do not like this album at all. The only reason why I like it is because of The Doctor Is Calling. That's pretty much the only song in the whole entire album that I really enjoy. And number 1, it's the only band that we haven't talked about that's part of the Big Four, and that's Metallica with Saint Anger. It was between Saint Anger or Reload, but I went with Saint Anger because a lot of Metallica hardcore fans don't like it. Personally, it was the album that got me into Metallica. But the reason why, look at the tuning of the guitars and the drums. The drums are the worst part in the entire album. It sounds like he's hitting like beer cans or something. And also, no solos. Metallica without solos is ridiculous. They need to have at least some kind of solos in there. But no, it's pretty much just them riffing and singing and playing beer cans the whole time. Alright guys, that is my top 5 worst albums by the Big Four. As always, there will be ads on this, but all of the donations and the revenue would be donated to the Ryan James Dio Stand Up and Shout Cancer Foundation. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the random band link down below.